What if life didn't need two to create something new? In some organisms, reproduction happens without a partner. No fertilization, no genetic mixing, just precision, just duplication. There are no gametes, no genetic recombination, only mitosis, the cellular process of duplication. What if life could clone itself without a partner? This is budding, a form of asexual reproduction where a new individual grows directly from the parent.
Cells divide repeatedly through mitosis, building tissues, organs, and structure, all genetically identical. As development completes, the bud forms a miniature hydra, a perfect genetic clone. And then, it detaches. A new organism, same DNA, same design. One becomes two, powered by biology alone.
What if losing half your body didn't mean the end but a new beginning? This is fragmentation, a powerful form of asexual reproduction.
Each fragment contains enough cellular information to rebuild the entire organism. Specialized stem cells divide rapidly, restoring lost tissues and organs. Incredible precision, perfect reconstruction. Two complete individuals, genetically identical. In fragmentation, breaking apart is just the beginning. What if your body could regenerate itself? Some species possess remarkable regenerative abilities. Regeneration, biology's ultimate repair system.
Not all plants need seeds to multiply. Through vegetative propagation, strawberry plants send out runners, horizontal stems that grow into new plants. Once rooted, the new plant develops its own root system, while still connected to the parent. Tubers, like potatoes, sprout from specialized buds called eyes, producing entirely new plants. All of these new plants are genetic clones, identical to the parent. Farmers use vegetative propagation to maintain desirable traits, ensuring consistency, quality, and reliability. This mushroom is about to release millions of microscopic life forms. Under the cap, specialized cells called basidia produce spores through cell division. Through meiosis, genetic material is divided and packaged into tiny, durable capsules, each capable of growing into a new fungus. Once mature, spores are released, traveling by wind to find new environments. And when conditions are right, one invisible spore can create an entire fungal network.